use from group 4 where we will present our group's work. Ask for the group members Ahlul Prasetya, Rahmat Hidayat, Ahmad Hanif Maulana, Guntur Saputra, and Awang Sutisna Azhari. To save the time, let's move on to the next slide. Oke, next slide. And I akan membacakan. Education system. An education system is an arrangement that consists of at least one teacher and one student in a context, such as in a tutorial or via Skype. Education system must be intentional, where a teacher actively attempts to judge student learning. Education system encompass all institutions that are concerned with education, student, school, high school, and then college of university. An education system refers to the economic and social factors that typical make up a public school at the federal, state, or community level. Such factors include public funding, school facilities, staffing compensation, employee benefit, teaching resource, and more. Education system refer to the coordination of individuals among teacher, administrators, and students. Infrastructure, including safe facilities and transportation and functioning institution and the process. Next slide will be read Ahlul Prasetya.
Come on, Ahlul Prasetya, would you please?
Ahlul, monitor Ahlul.
Oh, if you Ahlul trouble ya. Ya, Ahlul trouble signal. Oke, Guntur.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, dilanjut aja sama Guntur.
Oh ya, siap, ma'am. Education experience, kita ambil contohnya dari Budiono Setiadi, Sarjana Teknik MBA. Personal detail MBA. Personal detail, place and date of birth, Banjarmasin, 16 July 1989.
1989.
1989.
Yes.
Contact address Ujung Berung, number 2A, Bandung. mobile phone plus 6285678901
Zero, bukan
zero
zero, salah. Zero salah. Zero bacanya.
0134. Email budiono.purwoko@gmail.com. Website
Website.
budipurwoko.wordpress.com. Formal education, Master of Business Administration or August 2013 or July 2015. Creative and Culture Entrepreneurship Institute Teknologi Bandung ITB. Informatics Engineering Undergraduate Student 2008 or April 2013. Institut Teknologi Bandung. Next slide will be right. Rahmat Hidayat.
Yeah, come on, Rahmat Hidayat, would you please?
Yes, miss. Next. Exercise 1.
Exercise. Bukan
Exercise.
exercise. Salah. Exercise 1.
Exercise 1. Fear of and practice. Use word from the box to fill in the blank and practice the
Practice. And
practice
practice the conversation below with your partner.
and practice the conversation below with your partner. Kindergarten, campus, part-time, expensive, teacher, early childhood, university, minus.
Minutes.
Minutes. Next. Do you go to university?
Do
Yes.
you go to university?
Do you go to university? Yes, I do. What university?
University do you go to?
University do you go to? I go to State University of Gorontalo. Do you like it? Oh yes, really like it. Why do you like it? Because it has great campus and a fine teacher
Grit,
education
bukan great, salah. Grit. Because it has grit.
because it has great campus campus and a fine
I find
teacher education major in this university. What are you going to do with the major? I am going to be a preschool or kindergarten.
preschool.
Preschool.
To be preschool.
To be a preschool or kindergarten teacher. I also want to have part-time job one. early childhood. Sounds interesting. Anything else? Yes, is it not? Expensive and it is
Expensive.
close.
Expensive.
Expensive and it is close to my house. To my
To
house.
my house, bukan to me
To-
house, salah. To
To
my
my
house.
house. It only takes 10 minutes to get to the main campus.
Minutes. Minutes.
Minutes to get to the main campus. Bentor. Pretty good. Well, good luck for your study 10. Thanks. Next.
Next slide.
Saudara
Will
Hanif.
Ya. Hanif, would you please the next slide, exercise 7, instruction. Would you please, Hanif?
Ma'am. Exercise 2. Activities. The teacher instruction. The teacher divides the room into 3 corners. Agree, somewhat agree, and disagree. Then the teacher makes a statement like education in Indonesia. Then the teacher makes a statement like education in Indonesia should be free for all citizens. The students move to the corner that best depict how they feel about the statement. The students in each corner have a few minutes to discuss why they feel this way by using the expression they have learned, and then their group reasons. Sample of statements. First, women will never be equal to men in the workplace. The answer is disagree. Next, the government is responsible for making sure that all citizens of a country have at least a minimum living wage job. The answer is somewhat agree. The next, making mistakes in English is okay as long as people understand you. The answer is agree. Okay, next will be read by Ahlul. Saudara Ahlul gimana?
Yeah, okay, Ahlul. Where are you? Would you please the next slide? Short education be free. Ahlul. Read the text. Education system in Indonesia consists of formal education, non-formal. Okay, would you please, Ahlul?
Mungkin bisa dilanjut dengan Guntur lagi.
Yes, okay. Maybe any others. Mungkin ada yang lain. Silakan.
Yes, ma'am.
Saya panggil
Saya
Ahlul
lanjutkan.
tidak menjawab. No, please.
Should education be free? Education system in Indonesia consists of formal education, non-formal education, and informal education. A formal education then is divided into primary level, secondary level, and tertiary level. Nowadays, the opinion that every citizen should have the right to study at school or university for free is very controversial one. Choose
Ayo,
who
ya, Mangga.
disagree refer to enormous
Hmm?
expenditures
Emang ada
of
yang tidur?
government in case of
Nah, kita mau belum ke situ.
establishing
Di mute
some
ya.
laws.
Belum ke situ.
Although
Iya.
Tolong di mute. Please. Mute. Oke, next.
although some people hold the viewpoint that not charging people for education could become very beneficial for country and its economy. First, young people from poor families could be very smart looking back to history and biographies of distinguished people raised in poverty can illustrate this best, making schooling available only for fortune is not fair. Another advantage of making education free of charge is happiness of the English for university student 37 nation. Inability of individual to collect amount of money needed to pay school or university face chaos, stress, and anxiety of the middle class society, which can even keep them from having children. Providing scholarship for all people who do well academically can be a good policy to be applied. Many people think that if everyone had free education, maybe the world would be a better place. However, it is important to understand the education has long been seen as a principal source of economic mobility. Even though making all schools
Even.
free, even though making all schools free can be very expensive for state economy. Advantages are invaluable. Free
Available. Available.
available free education for all citizens can raise all tax and all expenses and daily needs will be more expensive than before.
Okay, next slide.
Nextnya, answer this question based on the passage above. What do
Above.
you know above? One. What do you know about education in Indonesia based on the passage above? education system in Indonesia consists of formal education, non-formal education, and informal education. 2. What is formal education? A formal education then is divided into primary level, secondary level, and tertiary level. 3. Why do some people disagree that education should be free? Refer to enormous expenditures of government in
Governments.
governments in cash
Governments.
governments
Bukan go. Governments.
governments
Ya,
in case of establishing such laws.
stabilizes.
Stabilizing such laws. For what are the advantages and disadvantages of making education